just trying to spend this DBA power walking. Hey guys, it's Hannah. So it's the end of the term. I just took my last final and now my freshman year's over and I'm like getting ready to pack and go home, which is absolutely crazy, but I have so many dining dollars left. How it works here at Dartmouth is you have to be on a dining plan, especially your freshman year. Even if you're an upperclassman, you live off campus, you have an off-campus meal plan, like you're required to have a meal plan here. I chose the one that gave me 75 meal swipes so I can swipe into our main dining hall, and it came with $800 in DBA, which is the equivalent to our dining dollars. Only $100 carries over to your next term, and since I'm going to be off on the summer term, nothing is going to carry over for me, so I have to spend it all. And before I even start this video, I just like want to clarify that like I'm not just like wasting this money, wasting this food. Like it has to be spent, it won't be carried over. I've been like paying for a lot of my friends' meals who have been low on DBA for weeks. I've been donating the DBA like money to local food organizations. And I'm spending all of the money on food for my family to reduce their grocery list, because my brother and sister are younger and they're in high school and they eat a lot of food and the grocery bill is really high, so I'm trying to ease that burden. Right now, I have a little over $400 in DBA left. Yeah, so I got breakfast this morning, and like I've been like trying to splurge a little bit, so I have $410.66. I think my friends have a little over 100 each and they're gonna come with to spend some stuff. I am going to try to spend like half of this today and half of this tomorrow, so let's go.
Just out here trying to spend some DBA. Can't let Dartmouth get my money.
Dartmouth's not getting money. We're on financial aid, so this is their money that we're spending.
Yeah.
We're spending it good. In a rush. My parents are coming at 1, so power walking all the way.
Like mad fast, bro.
We got things to do. It is 12:33. You know, I'm leaving at 1 p.m. Oh, this is where we're buying food. Attempt 1, we're gonna attempt again tomorrow morning before I leave. Less than half of what I started with is spent so far. This bag is full of a plethora of nice chips and oatmeal. In this bag, in this box actually, because we needed a box, we have 2 things of this, a giant box of Rice Krispie Treats, Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Granola Bars, 2 boxes of Nutri-Grain bars, this syrup that would cost $17, but whatever, big money. And my lunch, a Caesar salad with chicken. Thank you. Tune in next time. Your salad's spilling?
Yeah, it opened up in my...
Gotta fix it.
Don't profit off of my trauma.
I had food, a lot of food I needed to deal with, getting a lot of looks, but you know what? Shout out to all the people who work in the dining services, because they know that there are a couple dozen people like me that come around every term and just buy boxes on boxes. Some people have like negative dining dollars. Other people only eat like 2 large meals a day, don't really snack that often, so we accumulate them. Life's like that. So one of the mistakes that I made in the winter term when I did this was I bought a lot of loose items. So just like loose granola bars, loose chips, loose bags of snacks. But that's not the move, because I ended up needing like a really, really large box to like just hold like a mess of items. Whereas this time I bought just pre-packaged like boxes of things, and like, yes, it's more plastic, which sucks, but it is much more convenient to carry, especially when I'm moving out tomorrow. So I got 2 boxes of these. Each of these drinks, these chocolate milks, are like $4. I got 5 of these. Each of these are $5. I got a pack of gum. Each of the packs of gum were like $1.20 or something. So this was probably a little under $20. And I don't know, but it all added up to $171. So I have, I think, 20 or 30 left. And we're gonna try to spend it on just like a few more little assortments of snacks. Turns out I didn't have 20, I had 50, so we just kept adding on bananas until I had like 26 cents left. Alright, this is all full of food. As is another trash bag, ooh, too close to the camera, and a box right by my feet. Sorry I'm at an awkward angle. My floor is covered in suitcases and boxes because, as you can probably tell, I'm in the middle of packing. This bag is entirely full of bananas. Alright, we're gonna check my final numbers. My makeup is very smudged right now because I'm both A, sweaty, and B, it's raining outside. Did I do it? Was I successful? Look at that, $1.46 left and 0 meal swipes. Could have bought like another banana or something, but it's fine. I probably got like 20. Thank you so much for watching. I would call this a success. It's kind of crazy the amount of food that I got because I did get a lot of food, but at the same time, for spending over $400, like if you $450 worth of groceries at a grocery store versus the $450 of food that I got, it's drastically different. Like things are so overpriced here, but I don't know, markup, capitalism, profit, monopolies, economics. Where some other money went, my boyfriend had $100 in dining dollars left. He spent a lot of that on swiping my family into the main dining hall today for lunch. So that's how we've been trying to use our DBA, and that's how we did use our DBA / dining dollars. I'm sweaty, I'm stressed, but it was a success. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Hannah. I've just now finished my freshman year of college at Dartmouth, going into my sophomore year, getting ready for a great summer. Subscribe to my channel for more content. There will be so much content coming in the coming weeks. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.